In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase your email open rates by implementing a simple strategy. Hey everybody, my name is Nate Valline with natevalline.com. Welcome to my video. Like I said, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can increase your email open rates just by simply installing a simple strategy that anybody can do. There's no cost to it. It just takes the time and consistent effort to figure out the results. Now, before we get into this, I do want to say if you're new to my channel, make sure you click that big red button and subscribe. That way you won't miss out on any of my other videos on how to make money online, get your side hustle on, or even just improve your skills as a marketer. Now, when it comes to email marketing, many people, say that email is dead. Everybody's going to text messaging, social media, Facebook Messenger, all that stuff. But there is some truth to that. That is very popular and very trendy. But the one thing that people don't understand is email is still very strong. Email, the people have gotten away from using email as just a quick way to say hello to people. Now, when people go to their email, they are more in a business mindset. They're looking for an offer. They're looking for official correspondence. They're looking for coupons or whatever it may be. Email has kind of morphed into that type of communication. It's more of a business repository for communication. And so that's why getting your email open rates increased and optimized is very important. You want to make sure that for all the emails you're sending out to your email list, you're getting the most amount of people that are opening them. And then in turn of them opening them, you're going to get more people clicking the links in there, which will then lead to more sales, more engagement, whatever it may be that you are promoting or communicating through your list. So I told you you can do this by implementing a simple strategy. And to explain this, I'm actually just going to draw it out. So if you bear with me here real quick, I'm going to get into my computer. And so basically, this is the strategy I'm going to explain to you and draw out here. It involves a little bit of testing and a little bit of time. But the results definitely make it worth it. And so basically what you're doing, let's see, Sunday. Basically what this is a calendar, right? And I'm just going to draw this out. We're going to do a 6-week calendar, right? Yep. You have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And then week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, let me erase that. Week 5 and week 6. So this is a 6-week study, a 6-week test. And basically what you do is week 1, you send out an email message every single day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, etc. And you pick a time, say 9 a.m. So every day at 9 a.m., you send out an email list to your email list. And then week 2, maybe you choose another time, like say 11 a.m. And then week 3, maybe you do 1 p.m. And then maybe 3 p.m. Maybe 5 p.m. And maybe you go late 9 p.m. Now the reason why you want to test these different times through the day is not everybody checks their email at the same time. Sometimes I've seen studies that sometimes, a large percentage of people actually check their email in the middle of the day when they're at work. Or some are checking it later in the afternoon or evening after they've put the kids to bed or after they've finished dinner, things like that. So by going through each week and say you send out, on Monday you send out an email and you get a 20, sorry for my writing, percent opt-in rate and a 5% click rate. Maybe the next day you get a 22% open rate, and then maybe like a 6%, and then maybe it's a 18% and 6%, so on and so on. Then the next week you send out an email and then you say, all right, on Monday at 11 a.m. I got a 30% open rate and a 10% click rate. And maybe this was a 28% and a 12%. And maybe we'll go 20 and I don't know, 9, right? So you kind of get the point. So you're going to track through the week your open rate and your click rate. And then once you go through this 6-week calendar stretch, this test, now you can compare, all right, on Mondays, maybe 11 a.m. is going to give me the most open rate, right? Gives me the highest open rate. So we want to send it at 11 a.m. on Mondays. Now, maybe on Tuesday, maybe we have like this is 40% and I don't know, 15%. Now, maybe this is the best time here. And maybe then this date would be the best date. And then maybe this time would be the best. And so you can optimize your email messages to be sent at certain times in the week on certain days. They don't all have to go out at 9 a.m. every single day. And they don't all have to go out at the same time that your subscribers subscribe to your list. That might not be the optimal time. So by implementing this test, you can optimize what days and what times of the week you will increase your open rates. And it's a simple thing to do. Like I said, it does take a little time. It's a 6-week process, and you have to be diligent and send emails every single day during these 6 weeks. But if you do this, you can definitely optimize and increase your email open rates. So I'm hoping that this makes sense. This is something that I'm doing and have done. I do it frequently with different email lists that I have. And I do increase my email open rates as I go along. So I hope you got some value out of this video. If you did, please give this a video like, a share. If you have any questions or comments about this strategy, leave those in the description below. I'll be happy to help. And again, if you are new to my channel, make sure you hit that big red button and subscribe. And then just a side note here, if you want to learn more about email marketing, how to improve your copywriting and strategies, or also just improve your affiliate business, click that first link in the description below. It's a great partnership program that I am involved with that you can check out. And if it's something that you feel is right for you, follow the links and you can get self set up, learn all about marketing, running Facebook ads, email, solo ads. You can learn about copywriting, email marketing, all that great stuff. It's all rolled into this program at an unbelievable low rate. Something that I think you should definitely check out. So again, just click that first link in the description. You can get all the information you need there. All right, so with that, I'm just going to wrap this up. My name's Nate Valline. Again, I appreciate you for watching. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.